Mathematics is the science of structure, order, and relation that has evolved from elemental practices of counting, measuring, and describing the shape of objects. It deals with logical reasoning and quantitative calculation, and its development has involved an increasing degree of idealization and abstraction of its subject matter. I'm Sir Phil na nagsasabing, palaging piliin mong Math-tuto. Hello, good morning. May I know kung sino na at anong mga section yung nandyan na po before we proceed? Hi, good morning. Ay, nasan ako? Hi, hello. Ayan. Ayun. Bad Santos ulit. Si Javil Cañete. Anong section ka? Ayan, Burgos. Ayan. Mga moderators nandito. Good morning, Eliza, JP, Raven, and Angelica. Kompleto na naman kayong apat. Ivy, good morning. Justin Rogelio, good morning. Ayan, may 9 Burgos. Thank you so much. Okay, so today we'll be dealing with intensify natin yung extracting the square root, the same with factoring ng medyo mabilis lang. And then we will focus on the prerequisite lesson for our next lesson, which are completing the square and the quadratic formula. But we will focus first on the third method, which is the completing the square. Ayan. So, I think we could start para pumasok na lang sila kapag andyan na sila. Bahala sila. Okay? So, let us intensify kasi hindi naman lahat talaga kakayanin dun sa oras with completing the square. With extracting the square root. So, I will give na lang some examples na mga additional, no? Pero before that, ilan ba kayo dito? Ilan na ba kayo? Wait lang. We have one, two. Ako ba, naririnig nyo ba ako? Bukod sa namamatay yung ilaw ko. Naririnig nyo ba ako? One, two, three, four, five, six. Wait lang ah. Ayan. Thank you, thank you. Let's start with extracting the square root. Wait lang. Extracting. Okay. So in this manner, uh, sa intensifying part, meron kasing mga, although nagbigay tayo ng example, yung sa binomial, bigyan lang natin ng example kapag, actually, same lang din naman yung mangyayari, pero bigyan lang natin ng example na merong numerical coefficient yung binomial. So let's say, for example, you are given, oh, wait. Eto, 2x minus 1 quantity squared minus 225 equal to 0. Okay, so dito, ganun pa rin naman yung gagawin. Ang hindi lang natin naibigay nung nakaraan, yung merong numerical coefficient to. For discovery na lang kasi yan. Pero sige, i-discuss natin dito. So of course, we're going to use addition property of equality para mailagay yung negative 225 to the other side of the equation. So by that, that will become 2x minus 1 quantity squared minus 225 plus 225 equal to 0 plus 225. And then, of course, cancel na to, magiging 0 na yan. Ang matitira na lang is 2x minus 1 quantity squared equal to 225. So we add 0 plus 225. Tapos, pag okay na siya, we will apply na the square root property. So applying the square root property, all we have to do is to extract. Yan. So cancel yung square. Ganun lang din. Tapos ang matitira is 2x minus 1 equal to, what is the square root of 225? Let's wait for your answer. Thank you, Miss Mylene. Ayan, 15. So we have 15. So we have here positive and negative 15. So by that manner, siyempre pag-iwalayin natin. So we have 2x minus 1 equal to 15, positive. And 2x minus 1 equal to negative 15. And of course, addition property pa rin para mailipat yung constant dito. So we have 2x equal to 15 plus 1. And then you simplify, 2x equal to 15 plus 1 is 16. To get the value of x, division property of equality. Ayan. And then cancel 2. And then we will have 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So that will be our first value of x. Tapos doon naman sa isa, this will be 2x equal to negative 15. Addition property of quality, yung negative 1 magiging plus 1. And then we have 2x equal to negative 15 plus 1 is negative 14. And then, of course, we divide both sides by 2. So this will be cancelled. And then we divide negative 14 by 2. So negative 14 divided by 2 is negative 7. So this will be now the second value of x. So wala naman siyang pinagkaiba doon sa iba nating example, ano? Ang nadagdag lang dito, meron ng numerical coefficient yung binomial natin. Okay? Sige nga, i-solve natin. Bigyan ko kayo. Mamaya pag medyo dumami tayo, magkakahoot tayo, tapos may prize. Okay? So, mamaya na yon. Pag medyo dumami at nagising na sila. Okay, I'll give you another example na meron ganito. Tapos, i-solve nyo muna dyan. Kasi ito pang-discovery na siya talaga. Okay? So, let's have another. Let's proceed tayo with factoring. Again, wag matakot sa fraction. Minsan may fraction talaga. Ayan, sige. Pa-solve muna ako ng value ng x. Meron na ba kayong value ng x? It could be fraction, ha? Kayong magtataka pag may fraction. Solve na ba kayo? Ayan. X x is 7/3 and negative 5. How about the others? Hintayin muna natin yung sagot ng iba. 7/3 and negative 5. Ayan. Same with Angelica. Seven-thirds and negative 5. Same with Raven also. Eliza also has 7/3. Si Ivy 7/4 and negative 5. Who else? Yes, solve natin. So we have morning po, 3x plus 4 quantity squared minus 121 plus 121 equal to 0 plus 121. So this is addition property of equality. And then the remaining
expression will be 3x plus 4 quantity squared equal to 121. And we are ready for the extracting part. So cancel square. So we have 3x plus 4 equal to positive and negative 11. And then, pag-iwalayin lang natin, we have 3x plus 4 equal to 11 and 3x plus 4 equal to negative 11. Tapos, we simplify, of course, 3x is equal to 11 minus 4. And then 3x is equal to 11 minus 4, which is, diba nawala? Wait lang ah. Nawala na naman siya. Ayan, hello. Nawawala ako. Ayan. And then 11 minus 4 is 7. Then we divide both sides by 3. So cancel na natin yung 3. And then we have 7/3. So tama yung isa natin, 7/3. Followed by these, we have 3x equal to negative 11 minus 4. So we have 3x equal to negative 15. Divide both sides by 3. So cancel 3. X is equal to negative 5. Okay, tama. We have 7/3 and negative 5. Ayan, yung mga bagong dating, pa-mention nga ng inyong section. Ayun lang. Tapos, ano pa ba yung mga nandun sa quiz na may mga na-encounter kayo dun sa quiz number 3 na discovery. Excuse me. Isa doon yung ano ba yun? Isa doon. May mga discovery part yun eh. Ito kasi tinanong ni JP. Sa ibang section, hindi kasi tinanong. Okay, so i-discuss lang natin ng isa. So we have... Ayan. Ayan, nandito si Genesis. Thank you so much, Genesis. Wait lang. Bigyan natin ng si Genesis. Ayan, pag medyo dumami pa tayo, maya-maya mag-game tayo, ha? Okay, let's say for example, we have 4x squared minus 20. Ayan, nawawala ako eh. Wait lang ha. Ayusin lang natin. Hello. Ayan, 4x squared minus... Nawawala talaga. Ayusin ko lang ha. Yan na naman tayo. Hello. Hello? Ayan. 4x squared minus 25 equal to 0. Hello, Kate Paret. Mega love shoutout. Wait lang. Okay, ito yung parang one part ng ng quiz number 3. So, dire-diretso lang din naman 'yan. Using the addition property of equality, magiging 4x squared minus 25 plus 25 equal to 0 plus 25. Tapos cancel to, of course. We have 4x squared equal to 25. Tapos proceed with the division property of equality. Divide natin by 4. So cancel ito. Matitira is x squared equal to 25 over 4. By that, eto na yon. Kasi hindi naman natin madidivide yung 25 by 4. So mag-extract na tayo dito so that we could cancel x. So magiging x equal to positive and negative. So this time we're going to have the square root of the numerator and the denominator. So the square root of 25 is 5 over the square root of 4 is 2. May na-encounter kayong ganyan sa sa quiz 3. That's one part. Tapos ano pa yung natatandaan niyo? Alam ko may isa pa doon na na discovery. Nasagutan niyo ba 'yon? Nalimutan ko lang kung anong item. Natatandaan niyo ba yung isa pang discovery? May dalawa kasing discovery doon. Ito lang kasi naitanong sa Abad Santos. Sino nakakatanda doon sa yung sa quiz number 3? Kung nandiyan si Justin, parang one of the questions niya ay ganon. Justin Trujillo, nandiyan ka ba? Parang wala si Justin. But anyway, yan yung mga anong part yon, yung isa pang yung isa pang parang discovery approach. Ito yung isa eh. Natandaan ko na. Merong isa doon, ganito. Hindi. Ayan. Parang may encounter kayong ganito. Wait lang iniisipan ko ng example eh. Ayan. Let's say, for example, we are given 3x minus 150 equal to 0. So, of course, ililipat natin yan, no? So, magiging 3x squared equal to 150. Tapos, of course, we will divide this by 3. So, ang makukuha natin is x squared equal to 50. Tapos, ang mga sagot doon nakasimplify kasi. Nakasimplify siya. So, kapag in-square root natin to, we extract. So, cancel yung square, So, magiging x equal to positive, negative, square root of 50 lang dapat. Kaso nga lang, yung sa mga pagpipilian, sinimplify. So, hindi nyo makikita kasi kapag yung nasa loob ng square root ay may factor na merong isa doon ay perfect square, sinisimplify. Alam ko na encounter niyo yun doon. Ang ginagawa lang doon, binibreak out yung number. So, iisip tayo ng factor ng 50 na yung isa sa mga factor ay perfect square. And obviously, anong factors yon? Ano yung factors ng 50 na yung isa dapat ay perfect square? $25. So, dapat magiging ganito yan. So, positive, negative, square root of 25 times 2. Okay, finactor natin siya. So, yung simplification niyan, positive and negative, yung perfect square sa loob, ilalabas. Kukunin natin yung square root. So, ang square root ng 25 ay 5. Since, ang lakas na echo ko. Ayan, yung square root ng 25 by 5, since ang may naiwan na 2 sa loob, na hindi naman perfect square, may iwan siya sa loob. So, magiging square root of 2. So, using ko lang, no? Yung final answer natin dapat ay x x is equal to positive and negative 5 square root of 2. Ayan, kasi hindi natin pwede ilabas yung 2. So parang ang simplification ng square root of 50 is positive negative 5 square root of 2. Parang ganon. Hello Mark Francis, nandiyan ka na pala. Magpapagame ako mamaya ha, may prize tayo. Okay, so tingnan natin, no, isa pa. Basta pag may na-encounter kayong gano'n na magbigay ako ng mga gano'n. Tapos alamin natin yung factor. Tapos i-breakdown natin. I-break out natin sila. Let's say meron tayong square root x squared minus 288. Sige. Parang gano'n nga. X squared minus 288. Ganyan. Equal to 0. Sige, break out natin yan. Lipat yung negative 288. So, magiging x squared equal to 288. So, of course, extract natin. Natandaan ni Mark Francis. I think ito rin yung tanong mo yata, no, Mark Francis. Cancel yung square. Magiging x is equal to positive negative square root of 288. Tapos, be-break out natin factor ng 288 na yung isa ay perfect square. Ayan, 144 and 2. And then, simplify lang. Yung square root of 144 is 12. Tapos may iwan yung 2 sa loob. Eto na siya. Ayan na siya, yung 12, positive and negative 12 square root of 2. Wait lang ulit ha. Nag-ano talaga siya, naghahang yung Microsoft board ng palagi. Babalik agad, wait lang. Hello. Ayan, yan yung mga ganyan na examples. Okay? Proceed tayo with factoring para makapag-review na tayo nung next lesson. mga prerequisite. Okay, sinong nakaintindi ng AC method? Kasi nagkaka-problem lang tayo doon kapag kapag may numerical coefficient yung yung leading term which is the quadratic term. Teka, burahin natin to. Okay, yung AC method muna, no? Tapos, yung mga normal na fina-factor natin. Sige, umpisahan natin doon. May factoring kasi na given din na the two terms lang. Let's say x squared. Ayan, nawala na naman. Medyo palagi siyang nawawala. Ayan, kunwari x squared plus 7x equal to 0. Ito, common monomial factor lang yung i-apply natin dito. So, of course, ilalabas lang natin yung x, di ba? Mas matitira is x plus 7 equal to 0. May two terms lang din. Pwedeng nawawala yung constant. Nagfa-factor out lang tayo. So, yung tawag natin doon is the common monomial factor. Pina-factor out natin yung common monomial factor nila. And then, kapag naka-factor out na siya, that's the time na solve na natin siya separately. So, obviously, yung unang x natin, using the zero product property, equal to 0. Tapos yung x plus 7 equal to 0 lang natin. So that the second value of x is equal to negative 7. So nilipat lang yun, dito. Kaya naging negative 7. So laging dalawang value pa din. So ang nakuha natin dito is 0 and negative 7. Yung mga ganyang example are examples lang ng common monomial factor. Let's say for example, ito. 6s squared plus 18s equal to 0. Ano ang common monomial factor nito? 6s squared plus 18s equal to 0. What is our common monomial factor? (6s). So 6s yung ilalabas natin dito. Ano yung matitira sa binomial? 6s. Kasi may s din yung second term eh. Ano yung matitira sa loob ng binomial? Natapos nyo na bang sagutan yung quiz 4? Ayan, 6s. So pag nilabas yung 6s, ano matitira sa binomial? S plus 3. So equal to 0. Dinivide lang natin yan dito. 6s divided by 6s is s. Tapos 18s divided by 6s, cancel na yung s. Matitira is positive 3. Tapos pag naka-factor out na siya, solve na natin separately. By zero product property, equate lang natin to 0 both. Sorry talaga kasi nawawala siya. Ayan, equate to 0. So obviously, ito 0 na yan kasi di-divide lang naman yan both sides by 6. Tapos ito, lilipat lang din naman natin to dito, yung constant. So obviously, s is equal to negative 3. So dalawa pa rin yan, no? Kahit siya ay, ang tawag dito, kahit siya ay, so laging 0 lang kapag sa common monomial factor. 0 yung isa palagi. Okay, how about this one? Hello, Kate. Ayan, what are the factors of x squared plus 8x plus 16 equal to 0? I think we can apply a certain special product here. Ano yung pwede natin i-apply dito? Ano yung ma-apply nating special product? Can you observe our given? General trinomial. For all naman din yun, no? Yung general trinomial. But particularly, perfect square trinomial. Kasi kung mapapansin natin, perfect square itong first term tsaka yung third term. Last week, parang nabanggit natin to last week, no? Kapag perfect square yung first term tsaka yung third term, we could apply the square of binomial. Yung perfect square trinomial, gagawing square of binomial. So, by that, meron tayong ganito. Quantity squared equal to 0. So, what is the square of binomial of this perfect square trinomial? Ano yung factor niya? X what? Ayan, x plus 4. Tapos isa na lang yung isosolve nyo kasi parehas lang naman siya. Okay? So, x is x plus 4 equal to 0. But actually, dalawa yan. Dalawang x plus 4 equal to 0 yan kasi nga dahil dun sa square. Pero isa na lang yung kukunin natin kasi understood na yon, parehas lang naman sila. So automatically, x is equal to negative 4. Ganon lang gagawin kapag perfect square trinomial. Isa pa, x squared minus 10x plus 25 equal to 0. Ano yung factor natin dyan? Perfect square ulit yan. So, quantity squared equal to 0. Ayan. So, we have x minus 5. So, isa na lang din ulit. X minus 5 equal to 0. So, therefore, x is equal to 5. Ayan. Proceed tayo. General trinomial. Okay. Please take note, pag mag-factor tayo, bago tayo mag-factor, kailangan naka-standard form. So, transform muna natin itong equation na to into standard form. So, this will become x. Ganun pa rin. Nawala ulit ako ha. Wait lang. Okay, so this will become x squared plus 6x minus 16 equal to 0. So, sa general trinomial, ano yung diniscuss doon na pwedeng way? Okay, ganito ang gagamitin natin will be, actually this is a trial and error, pero ang tawag natin dito is criss-cross method. Ang i-consider natin is the first term tsaka yung third term. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dyan, kunin natin muna yung factor ng x squared. So, obviously, that is x times x. So, sinusulat ko lang siya ng vertically. Tapos, negative 16. So, obviously, ang iisipin natin, factor ng negative 16 na dapat kapag pinag-combine natin, ang lalabas ay yung nasa middle term na positive 6. Okay? Obviously, ang naiisip lang natin na factor ng 16 na kapag kinombine natin, kasi negative yan eh, obviously, isa sa kanila ay positive at isa sa kanila ay negative. Kasi nga negative 16. So ano yung factor ng negative 16? Na kapag kinombine natin, kasi nga subtraction ang lalabas dyan, ang makakuha natin ay positive 6. Ano yung factors niya? 2 and 8. Okay, pag naisip na natin yung 2 and 8, ang iisipin naman natin, sino yung magiging positive and which will become negative of the 2. Ayan. So yung magiging positive is yung 8, tapos yung magiging negative is yung 2. Kasi take note, ang kailangan nating makuha ay positive 6. So dapat ang lalagyan natin ng positive yung mas malaking number. So pag okay na kayo dun sa factors, saka natin isusulat yung factors. As is lang. Ito, saka ito. So susulat natin siya as is, that is x plus 8 and x minus 2 equal to 0. So kapag ganyan na, zero product property na, so magiging x plus 8 equal to 0 and x minus 2 equal to 0. And then solve for the value of x. Lipat lang natin yung positive 8, magiging negative 8. Tapos yung negative 2 magiging positive 2. So yan na yung dalawa nating factors. Next tayo. Okay, we are given x squared minus 14 equal to 5x. So again, gagawin lang natin tong standard form. This will become x squared minus 5x minus 14 equal to 0. Okay, crisscross tayo. So x squared pa lang naman yan. So x times x. Negative 14 ulit. So isa sa kanila ay positive at isa sa kanila ay negative. Factor ng 14 na pag kinombine ay negative 5. Tapos, kanino yung negative at kanino yung positive? Ayan, negative 7, positive 2. Kasi ang kinukuha natin is negative 5. So, yan na yung magiging factor niya. X plus 2 and x minus 7 equal to 0. Then solve them separately using the addition property of using the zero product property. We have x plus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 2. Tapos x minus 7 equal to 0. So x is equal to positive 7. Ito na yung solution or the roots. Okay? Yung mga binanggit nyo kanina, those are the factors. Tapos, gagamitan pa natin ng zero product property. That's why the value of x is negative 2 and positive 7. Okay, so may pinagamit ako kapag may numerical coefficient yung leading coefficient. Yun nga yung AC method. Nagamit nyo ba yung AC method? Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung may leading coefficient, no? Yung 2x squared plus 11x plus 15 equal to 0. Kesa nanguhula, di ba? Pwede natin gamitin yung AC method. So the first thing that we need to do sa AC method ay eliminate yung coefficient ng leading term, which is the quadratic term. So magiging x squared plus 11x. So tinanggal lang natin ito. Pagkatanggal natin nun, papalitan natin yung third term by multiplying the leading coefficient saka yung third term. So pag minultiply natin, 2 times 15. Oo, ito times sa constant. So magiging plus 30 equal to 0. And after that, pwede na natin i-factor. Ano yung magiging factor nito? Yung x squared plus, tama ba? Parang mali yung given. 2x squared plus 11x plus 15. Parang mali yung given, no? Wait lang. Kuha tayo na ibang given. Wait lang ha. Parang mali yung middle term nito. Hanap tayo ibang given. Wait lang. Ito na lang. Ayan, 3x squared plus 14x minus 14. Ayan, so tanggalin natin yung 3. Magiging x squared plus 14x. Then multiply. What is 3 times 49? So tatlong 40 120 plus 9, 147. Minus 147 equal to 0. Tapos kunin natin yung factor ng negative 147. Factor ng negative 147. Ayan, medyo malaki yan. Pero this is divisible by... dapat ang makakuha natin positive 14. Okay. Isip tayo factor ng 147. Tapos gamitan din natin yan ng trial and error mamaya. Ayan, 21 and 7. Tapos alamin natin kung sino yung positive. So dahil positive yung middle term, positive yung mas malaki. Ayan. And then after that, ano yung next na gagawin? Ibabalik natin yung 3. So magiging 3x plus 21 and 3x minus 7 equal to 0. And then we factor out 3 here dito sa isa. So magiging 3 quantity x plus 7 and 3x minus 7 equal to 0. And then we eliminate na this one. Yung final factored form niya is x plus 7 and 3x minus 7 equal to 0. And then we solve them separately. So this will become x plus 7 equal to 0 and 3x minus 7 equal to 0. So yung isa madali na, ililipat lang yung 7. So x is equal to negative 7. So that will be the value of x. Tapos yung isa, lipat lang natin yung negative 7. That will become 3x equal to positive 7. And then we divide both sides by 3. So cancel na yung 3. X is equal to 7 thirds. So this is the second value of x. Madali lang din actually yung mas madali actually yung yung AC method, no, kaysa yung nagta-trial and error ka. At least ito, certain ka na magka-come up ka with the right factor. Okay? Okay, magbigay tayo example. Tapos after nito, proceed na tayo dun sa next lesson. O, kayo magsagot ha. Okay, hanap lang ako. Ayan, 3x squared plus 16x plus 21. X squared plus 15x plus 21. Ayan, you try this one. 3x squared plus 15x plus 21 equal to 0. Using the AC method. Okay, type in your answer na lang pag meron na. Ayan, according to Raven, it's negative 7/3 and negative 3. Ayan, negative 7/3 and negative 3 from JP. Yes, 15. So, tatanggalin natin yung 3, no? Magiging x squared plus 15x plus 63 equal to 0. Tapos factor, parehong positive naman yan. X and x. Factor of 63. 7 and parang dapat 16 yung middle term. Pero hindi rin. May factor pa ba ang 63? Wait lang, tingnan natin. Oo nga tinitingnan ko. Wait lang. 16 nga. It's 16. It's 16, sorry. Ayan, it must be 16. So, 9 and 7. 9 and 7. So, dalawang positive. Tapos, ibabalik natin yung 3. 3x plus 9 and 3x plus 7 equal to 0. I think tama sagot nyo. In-assume nyo na 16. 16 yan. And then, factor out x plus 3 and 3x plus 7 equal to 0. Then, the final factored form will be x plus 3 and 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So, both are negative, no? Yung sagot natin. X plus 3 equal to 0. So, x is equal to negative 3. Okay? Then, we have 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So, that will become 3x equal to negative 7. Divide both sides by 3. Cancel 3. So, we have negative 7 thirds. Okay, tama naman. Negative 3 and negative 7 thirds. May tanong pa sa factoring. Mukhang nakuha nyo naman dun sa video lesson. By that, proceed tayo with the next. Yung matitira natin na lang yung magkakahut mamaya. Magpa-price tayo. Okay? Proceed tayo with completing the square. Yan, matatapos na tayo. Ito yung lesson natin next meeting. Okay, so medyo madaming skill na kailangan natin, pero madali lang, sobrang dali lang din ang gagamitin natin. Pero ito yung may mahabang process. Wait lang. Okay, so completing siya, so ibig sabihin, dahil ang tawag natin ay completing the squared, so meron ko kompletohin. So, there are parts there na may nawawalang middle terms. So, let's say, middle term, yung last term or the constant term, yung x squared plus 2x plus blank. Tapos pag nakuha natin yan, automatically, sa completing the square, makukuha natin kasi is a perfect square trinomial. So since perfect square trinomial siya, may part doon na i-convert natin yung perfect square trinomial into a square of binomial. So the first thing that we need to do here is to get its constant para maging perfect square trinomial siya. So to do that, kukunin lang natin yung middle term, yung numerical coefficient ng middle term, which is 2. Pagkatapos nun, i-divide natin by 2. And then yung magiging result, kukunin natin yung square. In general yan ulit. Kukunin natin yung middle term, i-divide natin by 2. So yung makukuha nating quotient, which is 1, i-square natin. But obviously, 1 squared is only 1. Okay? So therefore, yung magiging third term natin, kung ano yung sagot natin dito, yun yung magsaserve as third term. Okay? So obviously, yung nabuo natin is a perfect square trinomial. Perfect square yung first term and then perfect square yung third term. So one part of completing the square is transforming a perfect square trinomial into a square of binomial. So magiging x plus 1 quantity squared. Okay, so alam naman natin mag-convert ng perfect square trinomial to a square of binomial. So you just get the square root of the first term and then the square root of the third term. And then copy the sign of the middle term. So that's why we have x plus 1 quantity squared. So bibigay tayo ng iba't ibang example. So let's have another. We have x squared plus 20x plus blank. Okay, what will be our third term? Again, to do that, kukunin natin yung middle, coefficient ng middle term. So that is 20. I-divide by 2. Palagi yan So yung quotient niya is 10. Then, square natin yung quotient. That is equal to 100. 10 times 10. So automatic, ang third term natin ay 100. Pagkatapos nun, gagawin nating square of binomial. So that is x. Yung sign ng middle term plus. And then the square root of 100 is 10. Okay? Ayan, yan yung sa mga process na gagamitin natin when we are dealing with completing the square. Okay, another. X squared minus 16x plus blank. Go ahead. What will be the third term? Hello po, Sir Alec. What will be our third term in this perfect square trinomial? Kunin yung middle term divided by 2 and then square the quotient. Still there? Ayan. Divide by 2. Divide by 2 muna, JP. Kunin mo yung negative 16. Kunin natin yung negative 16. Divide by 2. What is negative 16 divided by 2? We have negative 8. Pag nakuha na natin, square natin. Negative 8 square is 64, positive. So, yun yung ilalagay natin dito. Tapos, yun yung ifa-factor natin. So, that is x. Copy the sign of the middle term minus. Square root of 64 is 8. Quantity square. Ayan, ganyan. Let's have another, no? X squared plus 24x plus blank. Sige, practicein lang natin. Yung gagamitin natin next week. Yes, Raven. Yung next. Ano yung third term nito? Ganun lang ulit. 12. Ayan, x plus 12 quantity squared. So again, get 24 divided by 2 equal to 12 and then square. That is 144. So yun yung third term. After that, gawin natin square of binomial, x plus 12 quantity square. Okay, good. Next, another. We have x squared minus 30x plus blank. X squared minus 30x plus blank. Ayan, positive 225. So we get negative 30. Oh, that's correct. Divided by 2 is negative 15. Quantity squared equal to 225. So yun yung third term natin. Tapos tsaka natin siya i-factor. X plus 15. Wala. X, wait. X plus 15 quantity squared. Ayan. Thank you, thank you. Next tayo. Ayan. X minus pala. Sorry. Yung middle term nga pala. X minus 15 quantity squared. Yes. X minus 15. Ayan. Parang kayo na lang nandyan. Thank you so much. Next tayo. Negative. Parang delayed ka. Ayun. Next tayo. Ito naman. X squared plus 11x plus blank. Okay, ito hindi siya divisible by 2. So, wag tayong kabahan. So, kunin ulit yung 11. I-divide by 2. Pero since we cannot divide 11 by 2, proceed tayo with square. So, pag in-square natin yan, dahil fraction yan, i-square natin yung numerator. At the same time, i-square natin yung denominator. So, 11 squared is 121 over 2 squared, that is 4. So, yung result natin, yun yung ilalagay natin sa taas. Dun sa third term. So that is 121 over 4. Tapos ito yung ipa-factor, quantity squared. So, square root of x squared is x. Copy the sign ng middle term plus. Actually, kunin nyo to. Itong nasa loob. Yan yung ilalagay natin dito. 11 over 2. Okay, so our square of binomial is x plus 11 over 2 quantity squared. Let's have another, ha? X squared minus 15x plus blank. Again, kunin natin yung negative 15. I-divide sa 2. Dahil hindi pwedeng i-divide sa 2, proceed with squaring. Negative 15 times negative 15 is positive 225. Over 2 squared is 4. So, yun yung third term. 225 over 4. Yung factor naman is x. Tapos, minus, middle term yon. And then, again, kunin nyo to. That is 15 over 2. Quantity squared. Okay? O kayo. X squared plus 21x plus blank. Okay, go. What will be the third term? (441 over 4). And then, yung square of binomial, x plus 21 over 2. Okay, good. Ito, fraction na talaga, lahat. X squared minus 2/3 x plus blank. Okay, ganun pa rin yung process. Kunin natin yung negative 2/3. Obviously, di-divide sa 2, di ba? So, pag nag-divide tayo ng 2, we get the reciprocal. Ang ginagawa na lang natin is multiply to 1/2. Okay? Kailan nagmumultiply ng 1/2? Kapag ang middle term, ang coefficient ng middle term ay fraction. Okay? So, kapag whole number, divide by 2. Kapag fraction, multiply to 1/2. So, pag minultiply natin yan, multiply lang numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2 over 3 times 2, which is 6. After that, huwag kalimutan, i-square pa natin yan. So, negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. Over 6 times 6 is 36. So, yung nakuha natin sa baba, yan na yung third term. 4 over 36. Pagkatapos nun, yung square of binomial naman, So, x copy minus. Tapos, kunin nyo to. Itong nasa loob. Siya yun. We have 2 over 6. Yan. X minus 2 over 6 quantity squared. Let's have another. X squared minus 3/4 x plus blank. Hindi muna. Kasi kinukuha natin yung ano niya yung perfect square. Kapag sinimplify natin, hindi na siya magiging perfect square trinomial. Kasi ang goal natin ay makuha yung magiging perfect square trinomial siya. Kaya pag sinimplify natin yung 4 over 36, hindi na siya magiging perfect square. Kasi ang kailangan natin ay perfect square. So wala muna tayong simplification na gagawin doon. Okay? The same manner with yung square of binomial, kaya siya x minus 2 over 6 quantity squared. Oo, yes. Thank you, JP, for that question. Next tayo. X squared minus 3/4 x plus blank. What will be our third term? Okay, so tingnan natin. So negative 3/4 times 1/2. So we have negative 3 over 8. Okay, doing good. Quantity squared, 9 over 64. Okay, good. Tama. Siya yung third term. And then yung square of binomial, ano na yung square of binomial? X minus ano? Ayan. X minus 3 over 8. Okay, pasadahan natin yung step ng completing the square. Ready na ba? Press 1 nga kung ready. Ilan na lang naman kayo dyan? So, isa to sa mga i-apply natin. One of the step sa completing the square. Ito na. Kala nyo nagko-completing na tayo, no? Hindi pa pala. Ano pala to? Prerequisite. Tapos bago tayo mag-end, yung mga natira dyan, sayang naman yung price. Magka-hoot kayo ha mamaya. Bago tayo mag-end. Okay, bigyan na natin yung pinaka-kompletong example. We have 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 equal to 0. We could actually use factoring here, pero ang gagamit, sabi ko nga sa inyo, tuturo muna natin lahat bago tayo mag-proceed para gamitin natin kahit anong method. So for now, let us just use completing the square, okay? First step, divide the whole equation by the numerical coefficient of the quadratic term. So ang coefficient dito ng quadratic term ay 2. So i-divide natin the whole equation by 2. Okay? Next. Of course, simplify natin. That will become x squared plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay? Sinimplify lang natin Sundan nyo lang. Next. Ililipat natin yung constant term to the other side of the equation. So this will become x squared plus 4x equal to 5. Susundan ba? So, ang unang gagawin, i-divide yung whole equation by the numerical coefficient of the quadratic term. Pagkatapos nun, ililipat natin yung constant term to the other side. Ngayon, yung nakikita nyo ngayon sa left side, okay? Yung nakikita nyo ngayon sa left side, incomplete siya. Kasi kinuha natin yung constant na nilipat sa kabila. So, dapat magkaroon siya ng bagong constant. So, doon natin i-apply yung ginagawa natin kanina. So, x squared plus 4x plus blank equal to 5. So, yung ginagawa natin kanina, kunin natin yung 4 divided by 2 and then square. Ano yung third term natin dito? Ayan, 4. Okay, very good. Ngayon, pag naglagay tayo ng 4 dito, mag-a-add din tayo ng 4 dito. So, yung nakuha nating third term, i-add natin both sides. Okay? After that, dahil perfect square trinomial na, hello Miss B, dahil perfect square trinomial na yung left side, gagawin na natin siyang square of binomial. So what is the square of binomial nitong nasa left side? Gawing square of binomial. Ayan na, part na siya ng step. Hello po, Miss P. Ayan, x plus 2 quantity squared equal to, simplify nyo lang to, 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, pagka-simplify, anong napapansin nyo dito sa lumabas na equation? Ano yung pwede nating i-apply dyan? Meron ba tayong natutunan previously na pwede nating i-apply dyan? Ano? Yes, very good. Very good, JP. The square root property, sabi ni Angelica, extracting square root, the same. So, pwede na nating extract. Okay? So, may part ang completing the square na nag-extract. Part siya ng step ng completing the square. So, extract natin yan. Cancel square. So, magiging x plus 2 equal to the square root of 9, positive and negative 3. And then proceed. Kung anong ginagawa sa extracting. So, we have two equations. X plus 2 equal to positive 3 and x plus 2 equal to negative 3. O, proceed lang. Lipat lang natin yung positive to the other side. Same with the other one. So we have x is equal to 3 minus 2. So the first value of x is positive 1. And next will be x equal to negative 3. Lipat yung 2 minus 2. So x is equal to negative 5. That's completing the square. Okay na, may tanong ba? Isa pa ha, isa pa. Okay, first step, para makabisado nyo. I-divide yung whole equation by the numerical coefficient of the quadratic term. So the numerical coefficient of the quadratic term is 4. Okay? What will be the simplified form? Ano na yung simplified form natin? Palaging ganun na, i-divide lang natin yung whole equation kung ano yung numerical coefficient ng quadratic term. Okay, so the new equation is x squared minus 8x plus 7 equal to 0. Next, kukunin natin yung ano niya, yung constant niya, ililipat sa kabila. So magiging x squared minus 8x equal to negative 7. After that, i-complete natin yung left side. So, x squared minus 8x plus blank is equal to negative 7. So, ano yung i-add natin both sides para maging perfect? Yan, 16. I-add natin siya both sides. Okay? Next, gagawin natin square of binomial, yung left side. Go ahead. Proceed. Ano yung square of binomial natin? Yan. X minus 4. Tapos simplify yung right side. Negative 7 plus 16 is positive 9. And that's the time that we're going to extract. So we can cancel square. So magiging x minus 4 equal to the square root of 9, positive and negative 3. Di ba? Madali lang din. And then paghiwalayin yan, x minus 4 equal to positive 3 and x minus 4 equal to negative 3. And then, lipat natin yung negative 4. So, x is equal to 3 plus 4. So, x is equal to positive 7. And then the other side, x is equal to negative 3 plus 4. And then we have x equal to negative 3 plus 4 is positive 1. Hello, James. Okay. Okay na. Last example last. Tapos mamaya, magsasagot kayo ng kayo lang. Okay. Kung may, halimbawa tinanong nyo, halimbawa lang ako nang magtatanong sa sarili ko. Paano kung yung given ay ganito? X squared plus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. Okay. Kung mapapansin nyo, wala namang numerical coefficient yung leading term. So, pag ganyan, i-skip na natin yung first step. Okay? Kapag walang numerical coefficient yung leading term or yung quadratic term, i-skip na natin yung first step. So, second step na tayo, kung tatanggalin natin yung constant niya, ililipat sa kabila. So, that will become x squared plus 4x equal to 21. So, hindi na tayo nag-divide ng whole equation kasi wala namang numerical coefficient yung quadratic term. Okay? Hello, Kambal. And then after that, i-complete natin yung left side. Okay? So, ano yung i-add natin both sides? Salamat, Kambal. Ano yung i-add natin both sides? Okay, 4. So, we have plus 4 sa kabila din. Ayan, next. Hello, Brother Joff de Jos. At nagsosolve kami. Ayan, next. Square of binomial, quantity squared. Thank you so much, brother. Ayan, x plus 2 equal to 21 plus 4 is 25. And then, we are ready to extract here. Ayan, basta ganun lang, skip lang natin yung step 1 kapag wala namang numerical coefficient yung quadratic term. And then, magiging x plus 2 equal to positive and negative 5. O, continue nyo nga, what will be the value of x? Pag-iwalayin natin yan, we have x plus 2 equal to positive 5 and x plus 2 equal to negative 5. Sige, tuloy nyo lang. So, x is equal to 5 minus 2. So, x is equal to, kayo nang bala doon. Tapos, yung kabila din, x is equal to negative 5 minus 2. So, x is equal to, okay, yung unang x is positive 3. Yung pangalawang x is, both are negative. Both are negative. Be careful with the sign. Negative 7. Yes, positive 3 and negative 7. Okay. Magta-try na kayo ha. Using completing the square. Hanap tayo dito. We have Teka, burahin ko lang. Kompletohin natin yung steps para ma-practice nyo. Okay, go. Start. 4x squared. Wait lang. Minus yan. Minus. Minus 40x. Plus 68. Ayan, go. Extracting the square root lang ah. Okay, let's wait for your answers. Isa lang yan kasi i-discuss pa naman natin yan this week. Okay, nagsosolve na yata sila. Ano, meron na? Ayan. Ayan na ba yon? Ay, hindi. Kanina pala yan. Eight. 8 lang. Dalawa dapat, di ba? Ano yung isa? Yung ano na, JP, yung value ng x. Ituloy mo lang yan. 3 and negative 3. Negative 5 and negative 8. Sino pa nagsagot? Si Raven. Raven, ano yung isa mo? Negative 8 and... Ano yung x minus 5 equal to plus? Basta negative 8 yung isa mo, yung pangalawa. Sige. Ayusin mo muna. Dami nyo nung binura dyan, ha? Ayan. Sabi ni Eliza, positive 13 and negative 3. Positive 13 and negative 3 din kay JP. Simulan ko na, no? So, divide the whole equation by 4. X squared minus 40x. No. 10 lang pala. 10x plus 17 equal to 0. Check na natin, ha. Lipat yung 17, x squared minus 10x equal to negative 17. And then complete x squared minus 10x. 10 divide 2, 5 squared is 25. Equal to negative 17 plus 25. And then we have x minus 5, quantity squared. Negative 17 plus 25 is 9. Tama ba 9? 8 pala. Oh, wait. Oo, 8. Wait lang. 8. And then, pwede na tayo mag-extract. Did you get the same ano ba? Ito, doon sa extracting. Extract natin. Wait lang, i-confirm ko muna sa inyo. Did you get the same ano? Kasi ang nakuha nyo lahat ay whole number. Did you get the same ano? X squared equal to C? Itong x minus 5. Okay. Good. Continue tayo, ha. So, magiging... Oo, giganyan nga, pero hindi nyo ginawa yung ano, yung dapat gawin. Tingnan nyo, ha. Tingnan nyo. Magiging x minus 5 equal to positive and negative. Di ba tinuro ko kanina, ano magiging sagot sa square root of 8? Kasi hindi naman siya perfect square. Oo, di ba iisip tayo ng factor ng 8 na yung isa ay perfect square? Oo. I-square root pa yun eh. Ano yung factor ng 8 na yung isa perfect square? Ayun. 4 times 2. Tapos proceed. X minus 5 is equal to positive and negative. Ilalabas yung square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. May matitira sa loob na square root of 2. Kapag ganito yung sagot, ililipat nyo na lang class. Special case to. Ililipat nyo na lang yung negative 5 dito bago yung plus and minus. So your final answer must be positive 5 plus and minus 2 square root of 2. Hindi na yan ipapagsama. Naka-encounter kayo ng bago, ha. Ayan, alam nyo na agad yan sa sa discussion natin. Okay? Screenshot nyo para meron kayong re-reviewin bago yung ating lesson next week. And my question, makakapagkahot kayo while watching YouTube? Magbibigay tayo ng 50 pesos load or GCash kung anong pwede. Makakapagkahot kayo while watching? Kaya ba? Katulad ng ginagawa natin sa Gmeet. Sa phone po. Okay. So, kaya nga. About the others? Mawawala ka. Hindi po sa akin, sir. Anyway, sa laptop pwede naman po. Sa laptop. Naka-phone kayo, di ba? Angelica and Eliza. Okay. Sige, ganito na lang. Magfa-factor na lang tayo. Ilalagay ko yung given sa chat, dyan sa live chat. The first one who can give me the the value of the variable will get 50 pesos GCash or load. Bahala kayo kung ano doon. Hindi lang, hanap ako ng given. Okay, lalagay ko sa live chat Nagets ba yung yung instruction? The first one to type in the value of X. Yung dalawang sagot yung dalawang sagot. Pero mag-type in pa rin kayo lahat in case na mali yung unang nag-type nung sagot. Okay? Ay hindi, susulat ko na nga lang. Pwede ba itong snipping tool? Ganito, isusulat ko muna, hindi ko muna ipapakita re-remove ko muna. Sulat ko muna Tahimik tuloy. Wait lang. Sulat ko lang yung given. Eto, pwede kayong gumamit ng kahit anong method dun sa tatlong alam nyo na. Okay, wait lang. Ayan, pwede kayong mag-factoring kasi yung completing mukhang hindi possible Okay, go. Ready? 10x squared minus 26x equal to negative 12. I think factoring na lang ang gamitin. Go. The first one to type in the correct answer. PM na lang mamaya. 10x squared minus 26x. Tama ba? 10x squared minus 26x equal to negative 12. Gawin nyo muna ang standard form yan bago kayo mag-factoring. Sagot na lang ang ilalagay yung value ng x. Ayan na, si Angelica. 2 and 3/5. How about the others? Pakabilis talaga naman. Okay. Tayin lang natin yung iba ha. Baka mali. Or baka same lang ang answer nila. Magsasagot pa ba yung iba? Tingin nyo tama na si Angelica? Parang ayaw na nila. Okay, the correct answer is x equal to 2 and x equal to 3/5. Congratulations, Angelica. PM mo na lang ako later. Okay, pwede na tayong mag-lunch. Thank you so much for listening. Good luck. And then we will have the solving quadratic equation by completing the square this coming week for our GMIT session. Okay? See you on kung Aquino on Monday, kung Agoncillo on Tuesday, and kung Abad Santos on Thursday. Okay? Thank you so much. See you again next week. Next week, ano tayo? Quadratic formula. Okay? See you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Congratulations, Angelica. Hindi na nagsagot yung iba. Alam na nila. Thank you, JP. Thank you, JP. Raven, Eliza, thank you. Yung kaninang nandyan, keep safe. Keep safe. Okay, thank you so much. Eliza, thank you. Sino pa yung kanina? Si Genesis, nandiyan kanina, thank you. Si James, thank you so much. Ayan. Kambal, thank you. Miss P. Joff de Jos, Nathaniel, thank you so much. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Mathematics is the science of structure, order, and relation that has evolved from elemental practices of counting, measuring, and describing the shape of objects. It deals with logical reasoning and quantitative calculation, and its development has involved an increasing degree of idealization and abstraction of its subject matter. I'm Sir Phil na nagsasabing, palaging piliin mong Math-tuto.